Okay, so the last 3 items on my recommended meal prep equipment list that I use every week in my kitchen are meal prep containers. So I use 3 types of containers depending on what preparation I did. I like to use Ball glass jars for storing smoothies or sauces. I specifically like to purchase these leak-proof plastic lids to go on them. These are reusable and they really are leak-proof in my opinion. So you can buy a whole set of these Ball jars. About 12 of them come in a set. They have wide mouth, they have narrow, they have smaller ones, but this is the one that I usually end up gravitating towards. Okay, the other meal prep containers that I recommend are made by Pyrex brand. This is a brand of mostly glass containers, and these are great because you can take them straight from the refrigerator and put them into your oven or your air fryer for quick and easy reheating. You can also use these as containers to cook food in. So they're just so versatile, and they come with lids, which I really like. You can purchase a set of Pyrex containers in a variety of sizes, kind of similar to what I have right here. So I definitely recommend getting a set of Pyrex glass meal prep containers. Now, the last item that I'm going to recommend are meal prep containers like this. This is called Bentgo brand meal prep containers. These are amazing. You can purchase these in a set of 30 on Amazon in these 3 different sizes, and this set is perfect for meal prepping meals for an entire week. I have several videos showing how I do that in the Bentgo containers, but I would definitely recommend getting a set of these. These are BPA free, they're dishwasher safe, and they're reusable, but they're also inexpensive. So if you send meals with people who might not bring the container back, it's not very stressful because they're not very expensive. Lastly, the reason why I chose the Bentgo brand is because they have compartmentalized containers. This is a 2-compartment container. This is a 3-compartment container, and this is a single compartment container. And they even have other options too. So Bentgo brand is my recommended brand of meal prep container.